Well, I am very excited, guys. I have waited almost a week. Well, it hasn't hit a week yet, but almost a week, and I am so excited, guys.
We love the cheat meal days. You guys know this. We train hard, and we maintain our discipline throughout the week, and then we just let loose on the weekend.
Go mad.
Today, actually, although we're not in a fast food joint, this was inspired by that chicken boy. You know that little unicorn chicken boy?
yes, we know. I know his name. I know his name. He's a chicken.
We watched his video.
He's this little schoolboy who goes to these chicken places and he does
tries
reviews.
That. One of his videos. Basically, we came across one of his videos, and he took a bite off a chicken wing, and there was steam coming out of that wing.
It did look good though, and it was quite crunchy as well.
So we then decided we need to go and get some fried chicken
and a burger. I'm feeling like a big burger.
Yeah.
And chips on the side.
Oh,
have
yeah.
to do the chips on the side.
So
with some delicious sauces. Different sauces.
Today
we're
going.
Not just a mayo.
Yes, we're going a bit of thigh, bit of breast. You'll see it. Wings
and the
also.
buffalo nachos, guys. Oh.
So
let's
wait for them to come.
Guys, it's gonna be so good. But guys, guess what?
Coke day today. We're going for full sugar.
Full on,
cheat day.
guys.
So there you go. Going ready for it.
To be honest, I don't drink much fizzy drinks or drinks with my meal, so
we drink a lot of water throughout the week, so I think we deserve that treat.
Yeah.
Okay.
But guys, guess what? On Friday last week, for the very first time in my whole entire life, I woke up at 5 o'clock. Well, I have woken up at 5. I woke up at 5 and I trained, guys. I trained, meaning
in the morning, early morning, like an early bird.
RJ's been telling me this for years upon years. Train in the morning, it's so different to training in the evening after work. I never believed him, and I was like, yeah, sure, one day. But this week on Friday, I was like, on Thursday night, I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give it a try. Tomorrow's Friday, let me see if I can do it or not. All night I didn't sleep because I was just stressing. Oh my god, am I gonna miss the time? And then at around 5 o'clock, RJ was like, you know what, don't worry about it, do it on Saturday. I was like, no, I didn't sleep all night. I am gonna get myself up and I am gonna train today. So at 5 o'clock I woke up, 5:20 I was training, and I was done by 6 o'clock, guys. And oh my god, the best thing about it is, I don't know if you guys are like us, every single morning we have a to-do list on our phone, and guess what? Throughout the whole day, you get through it gradually. But with this training in the morning, you've already got a tick box on your to-do list. You've already started the day on a good note. So all it does is it just pushes you throughout the whole day to keep going.
And what's going to push us now is the waitress coming up to us with the food. So
is it here already?
Let's show them. So we got the buffalo style chicken burger in a brioche bun. As you can see, beautiful, got the buffalo sauce in there.
Ooh, what do
here
we have
we've
here?
Got another burger. And this one's another classic, a pan full of buffalo wings and Korean sesame wings. And then you've got the sweet soy dip that goes with it. And then you've got the blue cheese dip there. American waffles with fried chicken, butter.
Crispy fried chicken.
Crispy
Check out
fried
that crisp,
chicken. Look
guys.
at the crisp on that.
Oh.
And then you've got butter with
maple syrup. Can we eat already?
It's sprinkled. And now we have the nacho bowl. As you can see, it's got a mixture and blend of everything in there. Oh my god, I can't even talk.
Guys, you can't forget the fries.
Oh yes.
Delicious fries here.
Oh yes, skinny fries. How can we leave that out? You can't even have a burger with that fries. I'm gonna have to go straight in with this buffalo burger. So let's give it a bite.
I think I'm gonna go in with the wings. Oh, sorry.
Super soft brioche bun, crispy chicken, and nice salty blue cheese in there. And then it's got a bit of the slaw in there as well.
Blue cheese, guys. Oh. Oh, this is delicious, guys.
Crispy piece of chicken, thigh fillet, so it's nice and juicy. Wicked, good combination.
This is the Korean spicy wings, guys, and it's so delicious. So nice and hot, but not too hot. There's sweetness in there as well. It's so delicious. It goes so well with the sesame seeds.
So let me try it with the fries, the blue cheese.
I'm loving these wings, by the way.
Hey, the nachos are
Wings are so good.
Have the nachos. Oh, it's got coriander.
I'm gonna have to do this, guys. So delicious.
Try this with the soy. Have a bite of that. That's dipped in the soy. Look
So
at.
delicious.
Let me try it now.
I love that.
Dipped in sticky soy.
This cheat meal is probably the best feeling of this whole.
So maple syrup on the chicken, on the waffles.
So messy, it's getting so messy, guys. The messy is what we
Taste
like
time.
when it comes to food.
So we've got a mixture of thigh and breast here with the waffles. That's what it looks like. Thigh and fried chicken and waffles. Let's have a bite.
What's your verdict? I'm not too sure about chicken and waffles. What do you guys think? Do you guys like chicken and waffles? I've never tried it before, but
No,
I
it's
thought
alright.
of it.
It's alright. It's like, you know
I don't know,
how
but waffle just seems like it's more of a desserty.
Yeah, but it actually works.
Does it work?
Yeah. You know why? Because the sweetness and the saltiness, it goes with the crisp as well. And then the waffle, so I put a bit of maple syrup on there.
Going in with the classic burger now. Don't know where to start. Whoa, huge. Oh my god. And take out a little bit of the lettuce, RJ. You can have that lettuce on the side.
Actually, that was the buffalo and blue cheese in one, and that's where the saltiness came from. And that one was the classic, but it's their home style coleslaw. I mean, their home
Which
mayo.
one do you prefer?
I like them both.
I think I prefer this one a little bit more than this one. This one's delicious.
We're just
too.
sharing everything. So this is the Korean wing with sesame seeds.
And this is the buffalo wing, guys.
I'll have this one. You put the buffalo into the soy. So this is the blue cheese with the Korean I'm doing. You try
And I'm
the
going
soy.
in with the sticky soy.
You tell me the verdict and I'll tell you the verdict on mine. What do you reckon?
I'm still going.
What I found is the chicken goes really well with the maple syrup.
Surprisingly, right?
You're gonna have the waffle as a dessert now. Just the way with the exercise we've done a HIIT workout, we're gonna do a HIIT eat out. So what you do, you start off moderate. Then what you do, 30 seconds, you speed up the intensity.
Crazy, do you know?
And then you drop the intensity back
People
down
are
to
looking
moderate.
at us, by the way, right now, as we speak, people are looking at us and looking at RJ thinking he's a loony. They're thinking he's a loony.
I'm joking guys, don't try this at home, that was a joke.
You're gonna choke.
You might end up choking.
We have 6 pieces of wings, guys. You know what would be funny? You know what would be funny? We are absolutely stuffed right now. But
We've
what
done
would
that
be
in the
so
challenge.
funny is, let's do the challenge. Let's do the challenge. Let's do the wings challenge.
So,
If I put myself in it, I'm like feeling sick, by the
let's
way.
do it.
Normally, I always finish the chips. Every
Yeah, come
meal
on.
we eat, I finish
You
the
said
chips.
it
I
now.
haven't even finished the chips because I'm feeling sick.
go on,
Are
you
you
said
doing
it.
it?
Go on,
Are
let's
you
do
doing
it.
it?
Let's do it, go on. 3 each. Whoever does
Oh my
this
god, I
first
don't know how I'm gonna do it.
wins.
Oh my god, I
I'm
can't
gonna
even
be
do
sick.
one.
I'm so
Wait,
full.
oh, you guys stop without me.
Okay,
One
done.
second, it's starting without me. Someone's one's cheating already. Okay.
3, 2.
He took the small one. Oh my god, he's so cheeky. Check it out. He took the small one and left me this. You are cheeky. No, you're meant to trust. You love those ones.
Oh,
Okay.
I think I'm 3, 2, 1, go. One bite feels like a whole wing.
I'm pretty sick. Oh my god, I'm pretty sick.
Tap out, tap out. Tap out if you can't take it. Go on. If you want to lose, tap
He
out.
wants me to tap out. That's why I say tap out.
Like
Just because he wants us to quit. I'm not a quitter, guys.
No.
I'm not a quitter. I trained at 5 AM. That's a big thing for me.
You know it, go on. Tap out like MMA, go on.
No.
Show them,
Feeling sick,
go on.
guys, I'm
Look,
feeling-
you just tap out like that and it's done. I won. I won, and I don't even have to
He's
do it.
cheating, guys.
And I only had one little bite because I couldn't do it as
Oh
well.
my god, I ate way more than him. Check out mine.
But you
Oh
tapped
my
out.
god.
Once you tap
I
out, you
did
tap
not
out.
tap out.
Once you
I did not tap out,
the game's
guys.
over.
So guys,
We are done.
we are literally done.
Third in Chalk Farm.
Chalk Farm.
And it's been great. Service has been absolutely
Spot on.
great.
They've been
so
absolutely
patient
great.
with us. You know what we do when we order. So we have trained really hard this week, and we
We've
woke
been
up.
early birds, guys. We've been early birds.
And
Waking up
that's
at
why it was fair for us to come and eat a bird. So that's it for the
yeah,
cheat
we
meal.
certainly did eat a few birds. I think it's a few birds, right?
Few birds,
Just one.
yeah.
We
Sorry,
ate so
birds.
much, guys. Yes.
But it was really nice. We had a great time. Nice cheat meal. And until next time, guys.
Stay well, eat well,
And enjoy your cheat meal well.
and